Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video I'm going to try this beautiful wig right here. Actually, the reason why I decided to make this style is because most of my clients or my viewers suggested this style. There's a wig that I shared with you last month, almost the same style, but now it's braided in front. I'll put a photo right here. So most of you suggested for me like to do the style on the entire cap, and so this is how it looks. Just comment down below if you love the style, if you love the color, okay? And if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you, okay?